Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best ductless air conditioners in the market for 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these ductless air conditioner, you can check out the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner. Capacity 18,000 BTU. Coverage 1,500 square feet. This highly rated model from Senville comes in a number of sizes, ranging from 9,000 BTU all the way up to 24,000 BTU, and it comes in 120 and 230 volt models. It has 4-in-1 functionality, working as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan, and it operates at just 34 decibels, making it an extremely quiet option for a bedroom or nursery. All of its settings can be controlled via the unit's included remote. The air conditioner comes with a 16-foot installation kit, including a communication cable and copper lines, but it's important to note the brand requires professional installation for the unit's 5-year warranty to be valid. Reasons to buy. Variety of sizes available. Quiet operation. Reasons to avoid. DIY installation voids warranty. Number 2. MrCool DIY Mini Split Ductless Air Conditioner. Capacity 24,000 BTU. Coverage 1,000 square feet. This ductless, high-efficiency mini split system is specifically designed for DIY installation and no special tools are required. It's compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa and features an auto restart if there's a power outage, leakage detection, and sleep mode on the remote to automatically adjust temperature during the night. The unit heats and cools with 24,000 BTU of power and a SEER rating of 20. Operation is also relatively quiet. Overall, it's a great package, albeit a pricey one. Reasons to buy. Designed for DIY installation. Good energy efficiency. Reasons to avoid. More expensive than comparable units. Number 3. Senville Quad Zone Mini Split Air Conditioner. Capacity 36,000 BTU. Coverage 1,800 square feet. If you want the ability to adjust your air conditioning from your smartphone, this model from Senville includes built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing it to be operated remotely from an Android or iOS device. It's suitable for large space thanks to its 4-zone setup and 36,000 BTU output, plus it also has heating, dehumidification, and fan settings. The unit has turbo and quiet modes for even more versatility, and it can automatically switch from cooling to heating based on the ambient temperature. The Senville air conditioner comes with a 16-foot installation kit, but professional installation is recommended. Reasons to buy. Smart functionality. Large capacity. Comes with multiple remotes. Number 4. DELLA Mini Split Ductless Air Conditioner. Capacity 24,000 BTU. Coverage 1,500 square feet. This model from DELLA is a great value, and it still delivers 24,000 BTU/hour, making it suitable for rooms up to 1,500 square feet. In addition to cooling, this unit has settings for heating, dehumidification, and ventilation, and it has a variety of useful features, including a 24-hour timer, sleep mode, energy-saving mode, and multiple fan speeds, all of which can be adjusted using the included remote control. It comes with a full installation kit, including a 10-foot line set, and it operates between 30 and 41 decibels, depending on the settings. Reasons to buy. Relatively affordable. Variety of settings. Reasons to avoid. Short line set. Number 5. Cooper and Hunter Single Zone Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. Capacity 36,000 BTU. Coverage 2,000 square feet. If you're planning to install your ductless air conditioner in a large room, this model delivers 36,000 BTU per hour, making it powerful enough to efficiently cool spaces over 1,000 square feet. It can be used for both heating and cooling, operating in ambient temperatures between 5 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and it comes with a comprehensive installation kit. You'll get an insulated and pre-flared 25-foot line set, communication wires, as well as a drainage extension and remote control, and the unit can even be equipped with Wi-Fi if you elect to purchase the brand's USB adapter, sold separately. Reasons to buy. Large capacity. Reasons to avoid. Wi-Fi adapter sold separately. Number 6. Bosch Energy Star Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner. Capacity 12,000 BTU. Coverage 550 square feet. Air conditioning systems often use a lot of electricity, but you can minimize cost with this Energy Star certified model from Bosch. It comes in several sizes, ranging from 9,000 to 36,000 BTU, and the indoor unit has a sleek, modern design that's not as much of an eyesore as other models. The product offers a number of handy features, including a timer, automated follow-me settings, and turbo speed settings, and when you put it on silent mode, it operates at a whisper quiet 20 decibels. You can choose between a 16 or 24-foot line set with this air conditioner, and it includes everything needed for installation. Reasons to buy. Sleek design. Energy Star certified. Several sizes. Reasons to avoid. More expensive than comparable units. Number 7. Daikin Wall-Mounted Ductless Air Conditioner. Capacity 24,000 BTU. Coverage 1,500 square feet. Daikin is a premium brand that offers a 10-year warranty on parts, plus free technical support from in-house experts. This wall-mounted unit has a 24,000 BTU output that allows it to effectively cool 1,500 square feet of space, and operation can be controlled through the app on your Android or iOS device or via the included remote control. Other highlights include sleep mode for automatic temperature adjustment overnight, quiet mode, eco mode, and turbo mode, plus it comes with a 15-foot installation kit. It's also available in 12,000 BTU and 18,000 BTU models. Reasons to buy. 10-year parts warranty. In-house technical support team available. Reasons to avoid. Louder than other units.